Hi there, it's George here, and today I will have to show you update on my orchids that are growing here on the windowsill, and someone asked me to do this update, and we are now in January 2024 already. Those orchids are okay, are doing very well, all with flower spikes but not yet in bloom, but for sure in 1 month. So this one, as you can see, with 2 flower spikes that growing in my own bulk, which I planted in 2020, if I guess 2019 maybe, and it liked the bulk from a willow tree I chose, and look at it, fresh new leaves started to grow, and these beautiful spikes, we'll see when it will bloom. So also a new root, as you can see here, and this looking amazing. Well, the next orchid, did you remember this one? I found it thrown away and I just saved it, and now it was second flower spike appeared here and looking really beautiful with the new leaf. I will see when it will bloom in 1 month, I think. That's it. If you notice, the leaves are wet because I watered recently. That's it. And another phalaenopsis, this one, it have pink flowers when blooming. And as you can see, what a beautiful spike, thick. It was grow only one, and this is the old leaf and the new leaf, as you can see, looking healthy and lush, and so looking. We'll see how it will be, this orchid. And I have another orchid like this phalaenopsis, and what do you think? You know, it had growing new spike but not very thick, and such leaves it have, but something I guess it is not okay. Maybe I have to repot this one. Some roots are here dried, and we'll see actually. We'll have to cut the spike to save the energy to focus on the leaves more and to look like, at least like this one, and we will see. And the Dendrobium nobile, as always, it looking in such way. You know, here are the leaf, as you can see, but all the stems are without leaves because in summertime dries this substrate quite fast, bark. Maybe I have to plant it in another substrate, kind of. I will see what kind of substrate and maybe it will like, or maybe they should like more fertilizer, and I will see. Well, you noticed the bamboo next to my orchids and are very beautiful. As you can see, the new shoots are here above the orchids. That's beautiful. But this bamboo I grew from seed, and it have a record right now. A new shoot was grow 1 meter and 60 centimeters, this one, and I really enjoy. Look at it. How tall already. Up to the ceiling not remained so much, but in the next year will be on the ceiling like my banana tree, and they're doing well too. And as you can see, I decorated it, and the stem is quite thick. Let me show you on the bottom here. Such thick, awesome. And in the springtime I will plant it in the ground back, you know. That's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed my orchids that are growing here on the windowsill, and I will definitely do a new video when they will bloom for sure. And thanks for watching till the end. Bye bye, George was here. If you want, subscribe and click the notification bell. I'll see you next time.